Imagine having high quality studio photos for your fashion brand without actually booking a photo studio and a photographer for your fashion business. And when you're just starting or testing the market, you're definitely going to need a stole. Look at the difference. This was my original photo, and these are the results. Hi there, welcome to another video tutorial and review. Today I'm going to show you a full walkthrough of Hedra AI. Hedra is an AI creation platform that transforms static images into realistic, expressive character videos, creates and enhances product photos so it's ready for your website, without the need for complex prompts or technical setup. You just simply upload or select a portrait, describe what you want, definitely no coding, and even include references if needed. It has many features, but for this tutorial, I will be focusing on how to make any product look studio shot with Hedra Agent for fashion brands. Its simplicity just makes it so powerful for fashion and product-focused content. Okay, so let's say we have this plain photo taken from a phone. Just make sure it captures the product in full so it will be as accurate as possible. And then what we're going to do is go to Pinterest or Cosmos for inspiration. Both sources work for me just fine. And we can search using our keywords, let's say studio shoot, fashion for polka dots. I think this one here is good. Maybe we could specify and add plain background. We see the lookbook ecom references with a plain background. This one here looks clean. I'm just going to copy the link, or you could either save it as an image or copy the link. Hedra will read it as reference, so either way is good. And then maybe another option where the studio has a floor. Let's take this one here. And a lot of good images for campaign too. So I'm going to save these. I like some of the photos with colored background. I think they would look great for our campaign photos. And once we're all set with our inspo, we can go back to Hedra AI and head over to type the prompt. There's no rule in this. Hedra AI is very advanced in terms of language. You just want to be as specific as much as possible. So we can say like create a product studio shoot for my image with setup the same as this reference. And then I'm going to paste what we took from Pinterest. And we see how the agent works for us. It's going to show you what it understood from your prompt. It's important that you double check everything. The most important part here is where it confirms with you the overall setting, the composition, style, editing instructions. And here I would change the format to 9:16 just so it's IG ready. Okay, I think everything is great. I'm going to go ahead and click approve. All right, so the vibe, the studio background, the quality is good. It's just not showing the full body that I wanted or I was expecting it to be. But the good thing is we can revise the image. Just click edit with agents. And I'm going to type, I need the full body of the model in this image. Or give me the full body, whatever. Okay, I got this. Although I forgot to change the format, so it's landscape by default. But we could change that later on. That's how it works when we use the Hedra agent. But I also found a way to simplify things. We could directly go to create an image, just type the same prompt and use the same image. And I just want to make sure that reference 1 and reference 2 are labeled correctly so it matches the prompt. And then I'm going to try the square format this time. Okay. Oh, it's perfect. And obviously, we would need several angles for a photo. The good thing is, Hedra can also do it for us. We can do and follow the same process. I'm going to upload the image generated earlier and then type, give me 3, or I need different model poses. And here you can increase the batch size, so I'm making it 3 for us to get 3 options. You can also use reference images to make it easier, or if you're looking for a very specific model pose, that would be perfect. So here are the images we got. I definitely love these. And here, it's more of a creative shot, which would be perfect for socials. And I love the poses here as well, although I would have preferred it in separate images, but overall it matches the direction I'm going for. Now that we've got our lookbook studio photo, we also want to have our campaign or editorial photos. And we could do this in the same process as creating your studio shot. This is going to be fun, so let's try to get as many references as possible. And we could do the same process again as uploading our original photo and use any reference image from our sources. So we've got our professional lookbook photos in different angles and our campaign editorial shots. And honestly, this is where it gets really powerful, especially for fashion brands and e-commerce businesses. Because if you think about it, a traditional shoot would require a studio, a photographer, a model, lighting setup, and editing, which can easily cost a lot, especially if you're just starting out. But with Hedra AI, you can skip all of that and still get clean, professional visuals that you can use for your website, social media, or even ads. It's also really helpful when you're testing your products. You don't have to fully invest in a big shoot right away. You can validate your designs first, see what works, and then scale from there. And the fact that you can generate multiple angles, different styles, and even campaign style images from just one photo, that saves so much time and effort. What I like the most about Hedra AI is how easy it is to use. You don't need complex prompts. You don't need any technical background. You just describe what you want, add your references, and it does the work for you. The quality is also really impressive for products and fashion content. It gives you that studio level look without the actual studio. Of course, like any AI tool, it may take a few tries to get exactly what you want, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a really powerful part of your content workflow. So if you are a fashion brand owner, small business, or even content creator, this is definitely a tool worth trying for if you're working with a limited budget. It just makes content creation faster, more flexible, and way more accessible. If you want to try Hedra AI, you can check the link in my description. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be sharing more tools like this to help you grow your brand.